What's up, YouTube? Today I wanted to talk about the clutch and brake levers adjustable that I got off of eBay. Around $30. These replace the stock ones. I just wasn't happy with the stock ones. I wanted something that folds, just like that. In case the bike drops or so. The option is that this will hit the ground, pop up, thus protecting the lever. And I've also got it right here on the brake side. It is a little bit thicker on here, so when you're pushing the, let's say the clutch or the brake down, and you, let's say here, you push down, you can tell the thickness of this from the stock one, but you get used to that. Some people like it a little bit thicker because it's more of something to grip onto, but very, very easy. The only thing that I noticed, which is on, not necessarily that one, but on the clutch side, is the amount of play that's in here. This could be quickly resolved by just adding an extra shim or so, and it'll free up that play. I just haven't had a chance to do that yet. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, you might be wondering what happened to my tire. Well, basically last weekend I was out in Borrego Springs coming back and pretty much wore out my tire. And it's actually right here. So this is my tire. Never let it get to that level, ever. Yeah, don't ask. But anyway, I was gonna go get it replaced, just take it to the shop, but then they said, well, no, go to Cycle Gear, order it, and you get it the next day. They said it's gonna be a piece of cake, they say. No problem, within 24 hours, you'll get the tire back, and then I can put it back on. Well, that was last Wednesday, and it's been over a week. And apparently, I mean, it's not their fault. It's just shipping. Shipping everywhere is just crazy. So they, I won't get it until Tuesday. So once they call me to let me know that my tire came in, then I will then bring that to them, and it takes 24 hours, or at least that's what they say, to put the new tire on that. Once I get that, I'll pop it on this bad boy, and then I'll be back in business. But anyway, getting back to this, the clutch and the brake levers, this red portion here, you can loosen it. Hold on, let me see if this thing focuses. You can loosen it and it'll bring this out. So if you want a little bit more to grip onto, I just have mine all the way in. Of course, it's adjustable, so it's gonna have the different levels depending how close or far it's gonna go from the handlebar here. And I usually like mine a little bit closer, somewhat around there or so. And here's just some more shots on it. Of course, you can get them whatever color you want. They have them in black, blue, the silver, you know, a bunch of different ones. But hope you like them. If you don't and you like the straight black ones, it's all good. This was just seemed like a good idea at the time, but they work really well, so I'm happy with those two. There's another shot of, well, the front. Look at the back tire. Why is this not focusing right? There we go. Thanks for watching.